How to upload your project on GitHub account. So first of all, you need to create your account in GitHub account. GitHub dot from type this github.com and create your on GitHub account. After you creating your account, you need to install some application. This application name is Git Bash. So I will put this link on description. You can directly install this application. After you install this application, if you want to install desktop version, so you can also install this desktop version of GitHub. After you install this application, you need to simply go to the file directory and which project you want to add. Just go to the file directory and I want to add this coronavirus analysis prediction project. I will click this project directory and copy this project directory and open git bash terminal and simply cd, go to the file directory, right click this and paste it. After you go to the file directory of that project, then you simply need to initialize this project. So git, type this command git init. After you initializing this project, then after you need to type this second command git add space full stop dot. Then after you add this project on git bash, you need to check your status of project. So you can simply type this command git status. You need to commit this file. So simply you need to type this command commit dash m. I will put first commit. After all, you need to create repository on your GitHub account. Just go to the GitHub account and create a repository. Just click on this plus sign, new repository. Then you need to give the project name. So I just copy that our project name and I just put it here. After you putting this project name here, if you want to add description, you can also add it there. And I will just default this public, so I will put this public. If you want to project, if you want to private this project, you can click on this private button, radio button. After you give the name of the repository, create repository. Here we require this link. Just link, you need to copy this link. I will copy this link. After you copy this link, you need to type one command git remove add origin in string. Paste that command. You need to click on the right, paste. After clicking this command, run this command, you will get remote origin already exists. So don't need to ignore this message. And after all, you need to run one command, this final command git push your origin master. After finally run this command, you will get one pop-up message in desktop. you need to type here username and password. So here type here my username and password. Click on login button. Okay, login field. Just go there. So now at gmail.com. After clicking this, you will get password. So password pop-up message. You need to enter your password, and after enter your password, just click on OK button. After clicking OK button, you will get your file is finally uploaded on your GitHub account, GitHub Desktop. So you can see here our file is uploading. It takes some time. Just take some time. Wait for a minute. So finally it's done. After, if you want to delete this project, you can just click on this refresh. I will click on this project. You can see here our project is uploaded. If you if you want to delete this project, just click on this setting button and go scroll down and delete this repository, and just copy this message, just paste here and delete this. So okay, I don't want to delete this project. You can delete also. Thank you for watching this video.